Want to make your woman climax hard during intercourse? I always give my woman at least one intense orgasm when we have sex. Here are some things you should do to ensure that she reaches full satisfaction every time. Passion, try really setting the mood. Music, candles, rose petals, soft deep kisses, the works. Women are emotional beings, and sometimes just feeling wanted is enough to make them go over the edge easier. Oral sex, do this not to the point of orgasm, but just to the brink. I make it the centerpiece of my foreplay routine, until she is begging to have me inside her. Intensity, once she is really wet and really excited, make sex intense. Thrust hard and deep inside her, talk dirty to her, let her know how good she is making you feel and how hard she gets you. Deep penetration, I like to penetrate my girl so deeply with my large penis that the tip is stimulating her cervix. At the same time, the base of my thick penis stimulates her clitoris. The resulting orgasm is very powerful. Here are two important considerations. 1. Any technique you use to make a girl climax requires you have enough stamina to give her time to reach orgasm. I do Kegels every day, which strengthen my PC muscles and help me control my own orgasm. Also, I used natural enlargement exercises to go from 5.5 inches to actually having a very long, thick, satisfying penis. It is difficult to make a woman reach full satisfaction if your penis is small, and no one knew that better than me. If you are ready to take action like I did and increase the size of your penis fast, here is a link to the exact method I used to go from a humiliating 5.5 inches to very well endowed.